How was it jumping on TikTok and trying to understand that platform from scratch?
Yeah.
So from being a successful YouTuber to understand a totally different algorithm, fundamentally different algorithm. What was that like?
It's interesting. Well, not even just the algorithm, just the content. Like I'm going from basically 15-minute short films to sub 1 minute vertical content. It's a whole different just ballpark. And so the first little while I was doing TikTok, it was just kind of figuring out what does MrBeast look like in this short form content. But recently we've really started to catch our stride and come up with some original concepts and figure out how to innovate over there, just like we did on YouTube. Because I didn't want it to just be shitty YouTube videos.
Yeah.
You know? And so like an example is we played The Rock for 100K and rock, paper, scissors, and the loser had to donate 100K to charity. We did we went to random people on a campus and we offered them. So I said, I'll give you $100 if you fly to Paris and give me a baguette. And then they said no. And I was like, I'll give you $300 if you fly to Paris and give me a baguette. And I was expecting this person to say no, and it go up to like 10 grand. And he's like, yes. And so he flew to Paris, got a baguette, and brought it back and gave it to me. And that across everything got like 450 million views. And because it's just really cool just to see this random guy get on a plane, spend a day in Paris, and we cut it up real nicely and bring it back. And so we're starting to find just tons of original content over there.
But it seems like an epic video to make for a 1 minute.
Exactly. No one on short form's doing it. That's the thing. It's like, it's just so funny because like TikTok's been big for a while now, years. And then, you know, as we started to really figure out things on the YouTube channel and get it cranking where I have some free time, we set our sights on TikTok and like, okay, what are people not doing? How do we make it better, put in more effort, make it good? And we did the same thing we did at YouTube, just different over on TikTok, and it worked. And now we're the fastest growing or most followed TikTok account in 2022. And it's just funny that no one else did that.
And you're not afraid to do epic stuff, which also during the brainstorming, some of the ideas you're like, that's better as a short. That's crazy.
Yeah. Can you remember one? Because I remember I said that a bunch, but I can't think of one.
All I remember is that there were like epic videos. Like, really? You're going to do that for a 1 minute video?
Yeah.
That's crazy. So, like, are you posting similar content to a YouTube short as a TikTok?
Yeah, those we just double up. It's just hard. You know,